Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can send your Messenger QR code to other people on Messenger. So let's get right into it. Now, your QR code is basically a quick option to have other people add you as a contact. All they need to do is just scan your QR code, and after that, you will be able to connect with them and chat with them however you want. Now, to gain access to your QR code, all you have to do is enter the menu in the top left, press on the settings button, which is that gear icon, then go into QR code, and now you have your QR code. Now, to send it to people, you can either screenshot it or just click share, and once you click share, you can either copy you can copy your QR code as a text. However, you can choose the messaging app which you would like to use to actually share your QR code, and once you send it via that application to any other person who you want to share your QR code with, then all they have to do is scan it, or they might be able to just click it and add you as a contact. And once you've done that, that is pretty much it, and they can add you and you can start chatting right away. And it is as simple as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.